Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's that time again of making amazing recipes. If you're new here, karibu, welcome to this family. This is a channel where we do everything fun. And guys, today I'm back again with another video, and this one is amazing, guys. I am making pumpkin soup. Okay guys, please note that you can use pumpkin or butternut. It's all in the same actually, but this recipe is so yummy. And for the people who have been saying they want to lose weight, well, this is one way to actually start your keto eating or healthy eating. So guys, let me introduce the ingredients and then we get straight into the video. So guys, we have the holy grail of this recipe, and that's a pumpkin. And like I said, you can use butternut, but pumpkin is quite okay. We have some carrots that I have just diced, onions, garlic, we have some coriander here, cooking oil in this bowl, salt, black pepper and milk, and that's it guys. That's all you need to make the creamiest pumpkin soup ever. So guys, we are going to peel this pumpkin and slice it up and get cooking. So let's start by peeling the pumpkin. So guys, like I had mentioned, we are going to start off with cutting off the pumpkin. And please make soup that's enough for your family. I don't recommend freezing this. So I am going to remove the inside and slice and remove. Okay, let me explain. So I'm just going to do the normal, that's remove the inside, that's the seed and everything else, and the skin, and then dice it up. So guys, our pumpkin is sliced. Now let's get cooking. So guys, once the pumpkins are sliced enough, the next thing we are going to do is just add some oil to my sufuria that I am already preheating, and it's quite hot. As you can see, there are some flames. So I'm going to be showing you what we will be doing on the pan, but I'm going to add some onions in there. And guys, the sizzle in the kitchen when I add onions to some hot oil, okay, I love that. So I'm just going to stir the onions, and we are not going to cook them until they're golden brown. We're just going to cook them until they're succulent enough so that they've absorbed enough oil. And then guys, do you throw your pumpkin seeds? I would advise that you don't. Pumpkin seeds are very healthy. I am going to attach a picture of the benefits, but I'm just going to add them into some oil on my pan and roast them with just a little bit of oil. And in that pan, I'm just going to add salt. And guys, they are so healthy. You can actually chew on them like snacks or the way that you normally eat your nuts. But that's it. So I'm just going to roast them for a few minutes and they're ready. But in the meantime, let's get back into making the soup. So guys, our onions are ready. They are succulent enough. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we are going to add some garlic in there. Give it a nice stir so that everything is well incorporated. And once everything is well and you've ensured that the garlic has cooked for a few seconds, add in the diced carrots. And guys, the carrots are totally optional, but I would suggest you use the carrots. Then you're going to add in our malenge or rather our pumpkin. And remember, I said that you can use butternut. All kinds of pumpkin can be used to make this soup. So we're just going to give it a nice stir, ensure that the garlic and the onions have seeped into the pumpkin and the carrots. Once everything is well incorporated and mixed well, we are going to add some water. Add enough water dependent on how thick you like it, but because it's going to take some time to boil, just leave it at that. Alright guys, so at this point our pumpkins are ready. As you can see, they are all smooth and it looks amazing. So I would suggest that at this point you check the salt. If it's enough, then we are going to just switch off our stove and put the entire thing in a pumpkin. Everything in the sufuria, will transfer it into the blender, and then now I'm just going to blend it into a smooth consistency. Once it's blended and it is smooth enough, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add milk. And guys, if you have cream or plain yogurt, you can add it at this point. And guys, after you've added it, just blend it for a second and it's ready. Look at that, it looks amazing. So guys, we are done and it looks amazing. And this is actually the end, I don't know, yes, this is the end product of the pumpkin seeds that I roasted, and I used them to garnish my soup. And guys, look at that, just look at that. Who doesn't want a taste of this? So guys, we are done. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Thank you guys for being just amazing. Kindly continue subscribing, try out this recipe, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below, guys. And until next time, love you guys and see you in the next one. Bye guys.